Hello students, in this video I will explain to you about the GATE exam. GATE means Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. GATE is a national exam which is held every year in the third week of February. GATE exam is conducted by IISc Bangalore and top 7 IITs of India. The centers of this exam are in more than 200 cities in India, and some exam centers are also outside India. How much is the subject knowledge of the candidate from GATE? It is known from its score, that is GATE score. The range of GATE score is between 350 to 1000. Candidate whose marks are equal to cutoff marks, their GATE score is 350, and the candidate whose marks are highest, their GATE score lies between 950 and 1000. The obtained marks of the candidate are converted into normalized marks before the GATE score is calculated, because the exam of the same subject is held in more than one session and the level of the paper is also different. So first convert the obtained marks into normalized marks and then calculate GATE score. Now the most important thing is that why should you appear for GATE exam? What is the benefit in appearing it? Then the first advantage is that with good GATE score, your job can be found in public sector unit, that is PSU. There are public sector unit like BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, ONGC, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, GAIL, NTPC, Power Grid, and many more public sector units. Salary is good in these companies and all the benefits of the government are available in these companies. Second advantage, with a good GATE score, you can become a scientist like DRDO, ISRO, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, CSIR, and also you can become a scientist in a research center of India government. Third advantage, with a good GATE score, you can take admission in higher education like MTech and PhD in IITs, NITs, and other good institutes where GATE score get scholarship. And the biggest advantage will develop confidence in you. With a good GATE score, and confidence is the first step to success. Now let's talk about how many subjects or paper are there in a GATE exam. This year GATE exam will be for 29 subjects, which list is as follow along with the subject. Its code has been given, which is in bracket. The important thing is that if you want to now, you can give the GATE exam from two subjects. If you give the GATE paper from two subjects, then the first paper primary, second paper can be selected from this table itself, which depends on the primary paper. For example, if you take the primary paper, that is the first paper, mechanical engineering, then the second paper, any one of these, aerospace engineering, chemical engineering, naval architecture and marine engineering, production and industrial engineering, and engineering sciences can be selected. First paper and second paper are not conducted together. First paper and second paper conducted on different day of sessions. Now let's talk about who can give this exam. A candidate of any age can give this exam. There is no age limit in this, and if the candidate in is in third year of BTech or in fourth year or has passed out, he can give this exam. The eligibility criteria have been given in the given table in detail. Read it carefully. MSc candidates can give this exam in the first year of MSc. GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of declaration of GATE result. Now let's talk about the pattern of this exam. The GATE paper is of 3 hours and is of 100 marks, in which the paper of question paper of two types. First, multiple choice questions, that is MCQs, and second, numerical answer questions, that is NAQs. Multiple choice questions are of some 1 mark and some are 2 marks. Similarly, numerical answer questions are of 1 mark and some are of 2 marks. Multiple choice questions have negative marking and numerical answer questions have no negative marking. The weightage of general aptitude is 15 marks. The rest of the subject is 85 marks. Now let's talk about when and how to prepare for GATE. Start your GATE preparation from the first year. For this, first download the GATE syllabus of your subject from the website and divide it semester wise according to the subject of your university. Focus on the syllabus which is common to both. Never think that after having a degree you will prepare. For such a candidate, even after a degree, a good score cannot be obtained. Read from good standard books. Do not waste time on mobile. Numerical practice should be very good. If the numerical practice is not there, then you cannot get a good score. So do not read and write while lying down. Try to study on a table chair while studying. You should have scientific calculator and not a mobile calculator. Now let's talk about these things while filling the GATE form. First, check the spelling of your name, the spelling of the name of parents. There should not be any mistake because the same name is printed on GATE scorecard which you have filled. Before filling the form, save the photo and signature in given format and size with you so that there is no problem in uploading. Enter category, date of birth, address, center and your email address carefully. Fill the Aadhaar card number with special care. You should fill the code of your first paper and second paper very carefully. I hope that through this video you must have got a lot of information about the GATE exam. Prepare with the right planning, at the right time, with good books and with hard work. You will definitely get success. All the best.